My version of the Beet Box, originally designed by Scott Garner. His version used a Raspberry Pi, ours uses an Arduino compatible microcontroller. His also used actual beets, hence the awesome name, but since it's really hot outside, we decided to go with summer fruit. And they're resting on a box I got to spend the morning working with my dad, and box came out better than we could have hoped for. But yeah, we'll take a look at the guts now. Alright, now we have the Beet Box opened up. Everything is still connected. We have 6 wires running from the fruit into the breadboard, connecting to the MPR121 Capacitive Touch sensor. So what happens though when you touch the fruit, it's basically like you're adding a capacitor in parallel, in addition to the little capacitors already on the board. By doing that, you're increasing the capacitance of the circuit in general, which means that when an output pin is set to high, you're increasing the amount of time it takes for the receiver pin to go up to high as well. More capacitance you have, the longer it takes for it to charge, so the longer it'll take for the receiver pin to register as high. So once that happens, the chip then sends a signal saying, for example, that fruit number 5 has been touched. It sends that signal to the microcontroller over I2C. The processor reads in, hey, pin 5 has been touched. And attached to the microcontroller on top, we have the Maker Featherwing, which, as you can see, has a MicroSD card reader. Hopefully it'll come into focus. There we go. So when it registers that fruit number 5 has been touched, it then sends a command to play track number 5, which is just the corresponding track. There's one for each piece of fruit. And then the audio signal gets amplified. The Featherwing also has an amplifier, and just sends that over to the speaker we have inside the box.